Hello, today Dustsilver will take you to learn more about the characteristics of the 4 most common switches on the market and who they are suitable for. By the way, I will share the popular keyboard with a gorgeous look and feel, Blue Pink Milkshake. The color matching of this keyboard is blue and white. I have to say that it hits my heart, and the combination of ice cream color and the macron color is very clever. The disassembly process is really healing. Listen to the sound. This keycap is made of BPT material, which offers a smooth matte texture and a premium appearance. They are crafted using a high-cost 5-sided sublimation process, which ensures exceptional durability and maintains their pristine condition after long-time use. This one I choose is loudest switch body, the blue switch. Despite its loud sound, I love the tactile feedback and the mechanical feel it offers, creating a satisfying typing experience. Dustsilver's keyboard is equipped with 4 most common switches on the market. This red switch is opposite of the blue switch, and it's ideal for people seeking a quieter office environment. It provides a light and responsive typing experience, allowing for comfortable and effortless typing over extended periods. Additionally, the red switch's quick activation makes it suitable for gaming without compromising on overall performance. And this universal switch, brown switch, belongs to the middle category. It provides a satisfying tactile bump without being as loud as the blue switch or as soft as the red switch. Its balanced characteristics make it a preferred option for many mechanical keyboard users. For gamers, the black switch is highly recommended. The pressure is high, the trigger is sensitive straight up and down, the key travel is short. You can operate and queue faster in the competitive games. This D84 Blue Pink Milkshake supports 3 connection modes and is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android system. Dear friends, choose the keyboard that suits your needs for maximum comfort. We hope today's video helps you find your ideal keyboard. On the day that you broke my heart, however many seconds